It's snowing! Hey guys, what a wonderful day. We're getting some snow. Yeah, it is quite cold, but it's so beautiful. I want to use MAVIC MINI to capture this scene with the snow and with the snow that's actually on the ground. Something really bad happened. Basically, I was doing this funny movement, like the angel movement in the snow, which I always wanted to do. So I sent it on the rocket, put the remote control on my belly, and then it went up, and then it was slightly going not straight up. And then it sort of just fell. It should actually stop at the point where it started, and it just fell into the snow. I mean, good thing that it fell to the snow because there's a bit of cushion effect. But after that, this motor is not starting. So the entire drone is not starting. You can see that this motor is not working at all. And it says starting motor failed. Check whether the motor is blocked. I think I abused my MAVIC MINI too much. Interestingly, this propeller, which I chipped a little bit of the branch, but it works fine. I'm gonna change some of the propellers because now they look pretty rugged.
I packed everything and got ready to go home. And then I forgot to take the thumbnails, so I took the drone out again.
Oh, now it's turning. So I think when it fell, it must have just sort of got the ice stuck inside. That's not good.
At home, when I was editing the video, I was taking a lot of videos of the drone to show that beautiful B-roll in the snow surrounding. Don't you think MAVIC MINI looks such a beauty? And then, ouch. The snow must have got stuck at the front right propeller at that moment, which began freezing in midair when I sent the drone up in rocket mode.
And then now it has been inside the bag, and I tried to actually take a thumbnail photo. It's sort of melted a little bit. Okay, now let me try whether it works or not. Oh, yes! I'm so much happier now, and I think I'll keep this a bit more safe and, and play with it a bit more gently. So it had just got stuck in the ice, but still, because I think there's a little bit of amount of snow droplet, it's keep on saying that max motor reached or something. So I'm gonna play safe, I'm gonna go home, dry it off, and yeah, also probably change the propeller as well. So see you!